How to place a logo or an image on your t-shirt in Photoshop. So first you will need to copy and paste your image into the Photoshop. So for example, this image right here. Now you'll need to scale down or adjust the image size. So for example, like this. And then you will need to place it over the image of the girl wearing the t-shirt, or over the t-shirt image. Make sure it's the first one, the logo that you want to display there. Then with that layer of the image selected, click the drop down and select multiply. Then right click on the layer and click on blending options, which is the first one. Then decrease the underlying layer from both sides. So for example, a value of 50 and a value of 225, and then press OK. And once you click OK, as you can see, the image is now on the shirt, and it looks like it's been printed on the shirt. And this is the final exported image. You can of course adjust it for more details and make it more realistic. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.